one question from circle chapter, okay, where it's given that a circle with a center O. So let's say if this is the circle and this is the center O of this circle, right? Then into the question, it's given that two tangents PA and PB are drawn to the circle which is having the center O from an external point P. So let's say if this is the external point P, if this is the external point P, and let's say these are the two tangents, this is PA, right? And this is PB, right? So PA and PB are the two tangents, right? PA and PB are the tangents to the circle, right? Now it's it has to be proved that angle APB, that is APB, this angle, that is angle APB, right, should be equal to 2 times angle OAB. This need to be proved. OAB, right? So students, do one thing. This is a question from CBSE and in 2019 it came. This is a question from CBSE board examinations, right? So to solve such questions, you need to understand some theories from the circle chapter, right? What were those theories? Here we will be using one of those, right? We know that the tangents to the circle which are drawn from an external point to any common circle are always equal, right? So from here we can say that P is the external point, right? This is the common circle. So tangents drawn from the external point are PA and PB. So through that theorem, we can say that PA is equal to PB, right? So let us connect A to B, this one. It has been asked that we need to prove angle APB. Which is angle APB? This is angle APB. Let us say this is angle X, right? If this is angle X, we need to prove that this angle X is equal to 2 times angle OAB. So angle OAB is this one. This is angle OAB, right? So this we need to prove. Let us say this is angle Y, right? Then we need to prove that angle APB, that is X, is equal to 2 times Y, right? That we need to prove, that is X equal to 2 times Y. This is to prove, right? Now what we will do, since the tangents drawn from the external point P to the circle and touching the circle at A and B, so definitely they are making an angle of 90 degree where they are touching the circle, right? So this angle will be 90 degree. Just make a note of it. We will be using this will be 90 degree, being a tangent, right? Being PA as a tangent. Now just come to the triangle PAB or APB. So in triangle APB, what happens in triangle APB? In triangle APB, since AP is equal to PB, right? Then we can say that the angles opposite to the equal sides are always equal. So that's why this angle will be equal to this angle, isn't it? That means we can say that in this triangle APB, angle PAB is equal to, that is, this angle is equal to, I have said this angle, right? This PAB is equal to PBA, angle PBA, right? If these two angles are equal, then we can say that in triangle APB, since these two triangles are equal and sum of all the angles of this triangle is 180 degree, right? Then we can say that angle, since PA, we can write simply angle PAB plus angle PBA plus this angle X is equal to how much? 180 degree, isn't it? Because sum of all the angles of the triangle, right? Now all this forms 180 degree. Now here we can write in place of PBA, in place of PBA, can we write PAB? Because both of these angles are equal, right? So from here, what we will do, in place of PAB, let us keep it as it is, angle PAB, and in place of PBA, since PBA is equal to PAB, as shown over here, this is equal to this, right? We can write in place of PBA, PAB. So what will happen, you can see PAB is coming two times, right? Plus X equal to 180 degree. This will give you the value of angle PAB in terms of X. So this will give you 2 times angle PAB is equal to 180 minus X, isn't it? Now this is one of the relation which you derived. Now come to this point. Now we will make use of this 90 degree, right? So here angle PAO, since PA equal to tangent, right? Any doubt in this? PA is a tangent. If PA is the tangent, I mean to say this line is the tangent, then at the point of contact to the circle at A, right, OA is perpendicular to PA or PA is perpendicular to OA. OA is the radius, right? So we can write, since PA is the tangent, angle PAO equal to 90 degree. Angle PAO is equal to 90 degree. Any doubt in this? I don't think, right? So if angle PAO is 90 degree, then we can say that this angle PAB plus this angle which we considered y, which we have considered as y, so we can write angle PAB plus y. So let us write y over here. So y plus PAB, that means this one. I am looking this one only, right? So PAB plus y is equal to how much? This angle is equal to 90 degree because PA is the tangent, right? Now in place of PAB, write the value 180 minus x divided by 2 from this relation. So we'll be using this over here. So this will be giving you y plus 180 minus x divided by 2 is equal to 90 degree, right? Now we have almost solved our question because we have to prove x equal to 2 times y, that is angle APB equal to 2 times OAB. So here this 2 will be going to the RHS and 2 will be multiplying to y. So this will give you 2y plus 180 minus x equal to 180 degree, right? And here 180 and 180 will be cancelled, right? And we are left with what? We are left with 2y minus x equal to 0, which will give you x is equal to 2y, which was about to be proved, right? In this way we have solved this question and this question is solved, right? X equal to 2y, that means angle APB, which is angle x, so x is angle APB and y is angle OAB, which we have assumed earlier, or in place of OAB we have already assumed y, its angle y, and APB as x. So this is proved, right? So for any query, students, just put up into the chat box. I will try to help you out, and if you find it useful, you can like it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Happy learning.